It's me. Oh, it's me.
Hi
First time making a real video.
Hi guys.
Comment
I'm
down.
with Logan today.
Oh my! I did not know that was gonna come.
Guys, today me and Logan were playing with our cousin Muffet. LOL.
But we're not talking about this. We're talking about the bird. Okay, guess what, Lizzie?
No, we're talking about this too. Hey.
Hi, Lizzie.
And look, guys.
Say hi, Lizzie.
No, wait, we're not doing about that. You do my videos, and this is my video. I'm Tim McCullough.
Okay. So watch.
When I was downstairs, I accidentally broke the video. But I put it back on.
The birdie said, this is Logan's video. Give him 100 subscribes and 100 likes.
Logan, look her little shoes.
Oh my god, that's so tiny.
Look at her little foot.